So funny.
Do it. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Dominic. Dom. Dominic. Here comes Nathan outside, shoveling up the driveway. There you go. Hi.
Are we be able to make a snowman?
You know, it feels kind of wet. We might be able to.
We will?
I think so. We'll give it a try.
A big one?
What's Nathan doing? Yeah, go right by him, Nathan, so I can get a picture of both of you in there. Not in front of him. Back up. Move. Dumber. Look up at Mama. Wave to Mama. Hi. There you go, Nate. Go with him where he goes so I can get you both.
Huh?
Go with him where he goes so I can get both of you.
No, we can't walk down. Yeah. Do.
It's Dominic. Wait a minute, Nate. Let me give him. Look at Mama. Dominic.
Hi.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Bye-bye.
You're doing good, Nate.
Huh?
You're doing good.
Drive like you went to the walk.
Mama's looking at you. Dominic.
Oh,
Dominic. What you doing, Dominic? Dumber.
Hi, Mommy.
There's Nathan.
Dominic. Pew.
Do it, Nate.
Pew. Pew.
Go right by him and do it.
Pew. 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 Now look. It melted. Now you hit it. Look.
It's ice, huh?
Wait.
Pick it up, Dom.
Isn't it, Mama?
It's gorgeous, honey.
Huh?
It's gorgeous.
Mommy, look. Black fall down. See?
You can see it. All right.
Hello.
Stand next to him, honey. Face me like him. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Cute. There's Nathan and his snowman. Great, Nate. Okay. Yes. Good, Nate.
Okay, let's the snowman.
Cute. Nice snowman. Look at it.
Get to him.
Can't see you.
Mommy, we need a hat for him. Do you see hat?
Looks good.
We need this with a look. Mommy?
Yum. Eat another one. Get another one.
Like to come out today? Oh, yes, please, said Edward. So they lit his fire, made lots of steam, and Edward puffed away.
This is Dominic at 16 months old, feeding himself.
Very cross of being left.
Put it in your mouth. Good boy. Put it in your mouth. Great, excellent.
Edward worked hard all day. The coaches thought he was very kind, and the driver was very good. And a very dirty freight train. A freight
Put it in your mouth.
train. A freight train. He grumbled. The shame of it. The shame of it. Oh, the shame of it. Edward laughed and went to find some more freight cars. Then there was trouble. Gordon can't get up the hill, the father called to Edward's driver. Will you take Edward and push him, please?
One more. Put it in your mouth.
Halfway up and very cross. His driver and fireman were talking to him severely. You're not trying. I can't do it, said Gordon. These freight cars hold an engine back so. Edward's driver came up. We've come to push. No use at all, said Gordon. You wait and see, replied Edward's driver. They brought the train back to the bottom of the hill.
Not too much, Nathan.
Ready, said Edward.
I know.
That's all.
I this one too.
As hard as they could.
Pray.
Do it. I can't do it. I can't.
Jesus protect us. This is boss. Stop us winning.
Okay, it's this Saturday. You know what? I was thinking the other day.
I go to store for 2 minutes, you might eat for that. $8 for 2 minutes, huh? And then I give them the $8, I come back, my ring's missing, 12 bucks out of my wallet's gone, half my silver is gone. The guy called him a neighbor, babysitter.
Nady, go over there by
The
them.
man so bad, he comes up to me and says, next time your grass needs cut.
Mommy.
Nady, go by them. Stand between Adam and Ryan with your little outfit. There you go.
And I want to be on the
This is Nady's 5th birthday. He just got a gift from his buddies. thinks he's a little colonel in the, what is this, Army or Marines?
Yes, Army.
Marines.
Oh, nice.
It has to be his right, Rod. Don't go anywhere, Rod, because we need to. Hey, Nady.
Gotta be careful with that knife, Nate.
What? Thanks, Dad.
Oh! Look, Nady.
What?
What do you got?
But don't jump up and down doing this.
Go on. Go get it.
George!
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, is that it? You know.
He's been expecting it for the longest
I'm
time.
looking for summer sauce.
Yeah,
blue
right.
moon.
I'm looking for a big expression.
Yeah. Hey, $80 hug.
Dad.
Nathan, that's from Grandma and Grandpa P and from Mom and Daddy, okay? Let's see you with it. Is this what you've been waiting for?
Uh-huh.
I know.
Whoa.
Look at that, Dominic.
Not
You'll have to, yeah. Oh, actually, I think he can get on it. He needs to get shoes on and...
good. Wait.
What's kickstand, Nate?
Oh. This is kickstand.
Boy, look at all that stuff you've got on there. You got a water bottle on there.
Jason, all the way down to kickstand. There you go.
There you go.
All right.
Now
What do you guys...
let's go there. Oh, yeah.
Smile.
Turn around and come back this way. Ride it like you know what you're doing, baby. Yeah, he's got to lower that seat just a little bit for him. What you got, Nate?
Got what we know. Is it
Hey.
5 speed or 6 speed?
St. Dominic. Mama, put your butt inside.
Don't forget that's on this video.
Oh, yeah.
Rhino.
What?
Rhino.
I don't understand.
Neat.
Neat.
Sheep. I'll be right back.
Okay. Don't be long. I'll miss you.
I forgot that.
Neither one of those.
Wet. Stay over here. Stay underneath the garage. Don't get that camera wet.
No. Oh, my Lord, please, let's not ruin the day. How are you going to ruin the day like that? All right, troublemakers.
Is that too high?
Love them.
Yeah.
I do, they're nice and white. I like to step
Yeah,
on
well,
them.
they won't last very long with that. But
Look at this look. I love what he's doing in your car.
spinning on his finger.
Oh, gross.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Now, Mommy, wash it, Mom. What?
Okay, and from Mom, for Grandma P will sing. Okay, ready? Let's go, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nathan. Grandma P. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless Nathan. May the dear Lord bless you. Okay, you guys, get ready. Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey. And you smell like one too. All right. Let's see it. The birthday boy and the birthday grandma. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, come on, go.
Get the other one in the middle. Oh, get these cups.
Dominic.
How about that, huh? Bye.
Have you ever heard of a buttercream
Where are you going?
Yeah, we made that. My mom loved that. It's her favorite. Mary Jane makes it. Oh, that's really... Oh, like this his stomach is like burning. He needs aspirin. Dummy cake.
Back to normal, I think. Mommy, it was.
Nancy.
Yeah, get a
Hi there.
What kind of head is that? You gonna go
Happy birthday, Nate.
This one?
Thanks. Can I pull off your camera?
No, I can't blow up my camera.
Let me take it off somewhere. He said, well, I'll buy it off.
You look like you're enjoying that, John.
Your camera in pieces.
John, you look like you enjoyed that.
Hey, can I cut your
Adam.
camera in pieces?
Peace.
Hey.